Okay, this video will be a quick walkthrough on how to set up a video conference or live conference in Google Meet. I've done this a couple times this morning, so I don't know everything about it, but I think I got it down somewhat. So what you'll do, there's a couple different ways to do this, but the first way would be to click on your apps up here, your Google Apps, from any of your Google pages here, and you'll scroll down. I've dragged mine up here towards the top. It's Meet with a camera. It may be down lower for you, or if you don't see it in here at all, you may need to click on More from G Suite Marketplace and search it up in there to add it. I believe it was in there for me already. So when you find it, you'll click on it, and it'll take you to the Google Meet page. And it's a pretty simplistic page here, not a whole lot on it. It kind of gives you any meetings you have scheduled currently. This morning I had a couple scheduled with a couple different students. You can click on Join or Start a Meeting to get one going right away. You type in the name of this meeting, so whatever you want for people to be able to recognize this meeting. I'm just going to type in test meeting for now. I'll click continue. And then it gives you this page kind of setting you up. This is not the meeting itself. This is just the setup page. Checking if your camera works and your microphone works. I can see my microphone works because when I speak, I can see that kind of moving right there. You can turn your camera on and off here before you enter the meeting. This is just a few settings you can play around with if you want. So you can join now, or you can present. Present will give you the option to post your screen up there, but you can do that in the meeting as well. So I'll click join now. Some people, you can also join using your phone. If you were to click on that, it'll give you, you can put your phone number in and Google will call you to get in, or you can call this phone number and enter this PIN when it picks up, and it'll put you into the meeting via phone. I have a feeling this might work well for IEP meetings and parents being able to join meetings. So I might try that later this week. But for us, we would click join now. And it kind of gives you this. It says to add other people to this meeting. You can click here and add specific people. And you can type in their names just like you would. It should have our whole list of people in our contacts lists for school. So you just type in a name you want, and it should pop up. Students will work as well. Or you can actually enter somebody's phone number and it will call their phone to let them enter this meeting via phone. Let's see, we'll go back. Add people. There's another option on here to be able to share the link to. Don't know where that went now. Anyway, so this is what the meeting is actually like when you're in it. You can see my picture. My camera's being kind of weird, but you got a public chat up here that you could be in, or it kind of gives you can see other people's pictures. They would pop up once they're in the meeting. You can present what's on your screen by clicking present now, and you can, so if you want to walk a kid through something, if you want to show them something on Canvas, you can project your computer screen up here for them to see by clicking one of these two things. And that's the gist of what I have found so far. Behind that, you can also turn your camera on or off, or leave the conference by clicking the red phone. That's the gist of everything I've gotten for this so far. I'll show you another quick way that you can create these meetings in Google Calendar before my time runs out here. If you go to the month view, since that's what people normally look at, if you go to a day, so if I click on today to create a new event, if I click this thing right here, add rooms, locations, or conferencing, I can add a conference. It's not showing it there, but underneath that, you'll see an option for Google Meet. And you can set the conference up right in your calendar and send invites out